Hey there, health nuts and penny pinchers. Want to know how I slashed my grocery bill by 40% while eating even healthier? Stick around, because I'm about to spill my secret grocery hacks that'll revolutionize your shopping game. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Zen Fit Journey, where we make healthy living easy and fun. I'm your host, Zen, and today we're diving into healthy grocery shopping on a budget. Let's face it, eating healthy can sometimes feel like it's draining our bank accounts faster than a gym membership we never use. But what if I told you that you could fill your cart with nutritious goodies without emptying your wallet? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how. Before we jump in, let me share a little story. Last year, I was that person in the grocery store, staring at organic kale like it was made of gold, wondering if I could survive on ramen noodles and multivitamins. My cart was a sad mix of overpriced superfoods and cheap processed junk. But then, I had my avocado moment. I knocked over a display of apples and noticed they were on sale. That's when it hit me, there had to be a better way. Alright, let's dive into my top grocery hacks. First up, plan like a pro. Before you step foot in the store, plan your meals for the week. Look at store flyers, plan meals around what's on sale, and stick to your list. Did you know the average American family wastes about 31.9% of the food they buy? That's like throwing away $1,866 a year. Next, embrace seasonal savings. Buying fruits and veggies in season isn't just cheaper, it's also when they taste the best. Plus, in-season produce can be up to 50% cheaper and have up to 50% more vitamins and minerals than those harvested out of season. Don't forget that frozen is your friend. Frozen fruits and veggies are often cheaper and just as nutritious as fresh. They're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen, locking in all that goodness. The bulk section is your secret weapon. Nuts, seeds, grains, and legumes are often way cheaper when you buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you up to 56% compared to packaged goods. Don't be afraid to go generic. Store brands are often just as good as name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. On average, you can save 25% by choosing store brands over name brands. Become a coupon queen or king. Check your store's app for digital coupons or browse websites for deals on healthy items. Combine manufacturer coupons with store sales for maximum impact. Buy whole foods, not whole paychecks. Pre-cut produce can cost up to 40% more than their whole counterparts. A little extra prep time can save you big bucks. Try meatless Mondays, and more. Plant-based proteins like beans and lentils cost about $1.50 per pound of protein, compared to $3 to $5 for meat. Shop the perimeter of the store. Most of the healthiest foods are found around the edges: produce, dairy, meats. About 90% of a healthy diet can be found here. Sign up for loyalty programs. On average, loyal customers save 5 to 20% on their grocery bills. Some programs even offer personalized deals based on your shopping habits. Now, let me blow your mind with some next-level hacks. Always check the unit price, it's like having X-ray vision for deals. Don't be afraid of ugly produce, many stores now offer imperfect fruits and veggies at a discount. DIY your convenience foods. You can save up to 40% by buying whole produce and prepping it yourself. Grow herbs on your windowsill. A small investment in seeds or seedlings can save you big bucks over time. Learn to love leftovers. Cooking larger batches and repurposing leftovers can stretch your grocery budget. Shop on Wednesdays, when many stores release their new weekly ads. And don't be afraid to compare stores, some will price match their competitors. Shop solo if you can to avoid impulse buys. Learn to preserve the goodness by canning, freezing, or dehydrating seasonal produce. And don't shy away from cheaper cuts of meat, they can be just as nutritious and delicious when prepared properly. There you have it, folks, your roadmap to healthier eating on a budget. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself or buying the cheapest food possible. It's about being smart and strategic. Start small, try implementing 1 or 2 of these hacks on your next shopping trip. Before you know it, you'll be a pro at spotting deals and filling your cart with nutritious, affordable foods. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more healthy living tips. And hey, speaking of smart choices, why not check out our sponsor, Bite Shop? They've got amazing digital products that'll make your life easier. Use code FITNESS10 for an exclusive discount. Thanks for watching, Zen Fit fam. Remember, eat well, spend less, and stay zen. Catch you on the flip side of the produce aisle.